Just one more point about our data file. So we started with a CSV data file, so a comma separated value. We've done all this formatting. Before we leave here, we need to remember to save it as an Excel file, XLSX. So we're going to go File, Save As, um, and then change it to an Excel workbook. That is required in order to maintain the formatting, the formulas, the pivot tables, and so forth. Otherwise, it would revert to the comma separated value file, which is just sort of a bit of an ugly text-based data file. So we've done that now. Let's close this off. So it's now Bank of Nova Scotia CSV original XLSX. So let's see what that looks like. And we're going to close that out. And here it is. And there we can see all the formatting is maintained.